ETTR stands for exposing to the right, and it's a way of pushing your camera to its limits without going over those limits. You basically get your histogram up on the back of the camera or in your viewfinder, and then push your histogram to the right. Hence the term exposing to the right. What this does is push the highlights close to being blown out, but not actually being blown out. So you still have details in them. And it works really well as long as you don't overexpose those highlights. And this is where you need to be really careful. Like I've already said, the best way is to have your histogram on the back of the camera so you can see exactly where all of those highlights are on that histogram. Now in the shadows, there is less light. And where there is less light, there is less detail. And where there is less light and detail, there is more noise. So if you can bring these up a little by exposing to the right, you can increase the quality of your shadows, causing there to be less noise in those shadows. And that is the essence of exposing to the right, to push your exposure up so much so the highlights are at the top end of your dynamic range of your camera and the shadows are brighter and less noisy. Then when you bring the exposure back down, if you need to when editing, you will have better quality and detail in your shadows. Now, if you like this video, try clicking on this next one to learn about signal to noise ratios, or click down here to learn about using a 10-stop ND filter. And if you haven't already, subscribe for photography tutorials and reviews every Monday and Thursday. I'll see you next time.